In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add location link in Canva invitation card. We'll design an invite, attach a clickable Google Maps link to the address text, and export it so recipients can tap for directions instantly. First, open Canva's templates page. In the search bar, type invitation to browse ready-made designs. Pick any style that fits your event, and then select Customize this template to open it in the editor. On your design, click the address text box. Replace the placeholder text with the wording you want people to click. Something clear, like view location, or your venue's address works well. Keep it short so it's easy to spot. With that text still selected, look for the three dots on the top toolbar to reveal more options, and choose Link. We'll paste the map link here in a moment. Open a new browser tab and go to Google Maps. Search for your exact venue, confirm the pin is correct, and use the Share option, then choose Copy Link. This gives you a URL that opens directly to the right place. Switch back to Canva, click into the link field, and paste the URL. Hit Done to apply it. Your text is now hyperlinked inside the design. If you want it to stand out, consider underlining the phrase, changing its color, or increasing the font weight. Styling doesn't affect the link, but clear contrast helps guests notice it. Also, make sure the text layer isn't grouped with other elements when linking, so the hyperlink attaches to the correct item. Next, click Share in the top right. Choose Download and select PDF Standard. PDFs preserve clickable links, making them great for email, messaging apps, or event pages. Download the file to your computer. Avoid exporting as JPG or PNG if you need the link to remain clickable, since image formats don't keep hyperlinks. Open the PDF in your web browser to test it. Hover over the address text you edited and click. You should be taken straight to the location on Google Maps. If it doesn't open, double-check that the link was applied to the correct text layer and that there are no extra spaces in the URL. On a phone, tapping the link should prompt Google Maps or your default Maps app to open. That's it. Your invitation now includes a working map link. When you send the PDF, guests can tap the address to get directions instantly. For printed copies, remember that the link won't be clickable on paper, so consider keeping the text legible enough for guests to type into their Maps app if needed. Thanks for watching. You're now ready to share beautiful invites with a built-in location link, saving guests time and avoiding confusion on event day.